Hello guys, today in today's project I am going to show you how to make from old Russian trailer. I will post a photo here. Alexa, please find me the photo of my trailer long time ago, how it looked like.
Okay, Matas, I am trying to search it for you.
Alexa, thank you. Google Maps, thank you. This is the trailer, how it looked before the building, before long time ago with these fucking tires. And this is how it looks with new tires, new wheels, Scania wheels, which are 100 times better. You can see how much I loaded. It's sand, it's very heavy. From these old wheels with fucking bad tires, how to make new wheels for Schmitz Krone trailer wheels. So let's get started. First of all, we will need to disassemble all the hub and just leave only this kind of plate. You need to measure the distance between this point to this point. Then you will get a radius, not a radius, diameter of your all wheel hub. Later you have to take your trailer hub and latte mill it to the same distance. It's like this fits here, so you have to mill it. Don't forget to make a place for your new air supply to your tire. Yes, here I have set of tires. It is here you can see 385 with 65 wide and 22.5 diameter of wheel. Yep, I have prepared for this and prepared some of the wheels with latte milled the center. So okay, secondly, as you know, these wheels sit here and the adapters push the wheel to the hub, and so you need to measure this distance. Yep, measure it. It's around 79. It's around 8 millimeters, and you have to grind the space like this. The space you have to grind and weld a metal plate. I choose I choose 12 millimeters on 12 millimeter square, and I will weld it to the here. Well, when you have grinded all the paint and rust above the wheel, where will have to be welded plates, I will have to a little bit wide my grinding, but as you can see here, we weld this plate, and it sits a little bit higher than the hub. Of course, I haven't centered, and one side is higher, other is lower, but it doesn't matter because it matters only the welding place. And then when you weld all 6 plates, then you tighten it up, and it just gets automatically centered. So let's ready to weld. Oh yeah, of course, I will tighten this bolt and the adapter to tighten the plate and in here place. Okay. So I have welded all 6 plates, and now I'm going to show you how it looks on the wheels. Let's check it out. Alright, here you can see freshly welded those plates. It's kinda difficult because on this side I don't have many places where to weld, but and in this outer side there is a little bit small place to make to fit a right position with MIG torch. So here you can see it is what it is. It's not the best weld, but I think it should hold. Well, let's fit it on the hob. As you see, it sits really good and nice. This is how it looks with the adapter to hold it. It's really quite good. All the edges match, everything is good. There is some gap. Do not clean or to tight it good. Yep, and here is 4 more to do. Just a quiet tip, you have to weld this area better because first of all I was thinking to weld in this side, but later on I see that here is better to weld on this side, so you have to grind it better in order to do not get these black spots and these dots from the paint. So okay, let's get back to work. I haven't shown you, but I cut these pieces in 20 millimeters wide, and you see, as you cut it straight, but I bend it a little bit. Yeah, here you can see it's bent. And how I bend it's really simple. Just get to Warstot. I don't know how it's in English, but in Lithuanian/Russian language it's Warstot. So here, hold still. You have a little bit hammer, and all right, let's do it. Right, one side is a little bit edged. Now the other side. Fuck, not this side. I missed. It's really hard to do with one hand, but I don't care. Right. Well, it's bent really. Fuck. Why you are not focusing? Fuck. Alright, I will show you on the hub how it looks. Well, now you can see it's quite similar like a hub the radius, so I bend it a little bit and then weld it. I have finished all the wheels to weld. Yep, wheels are in the best condition, but I think it should hold. Most important, it should hold. And yeah, what's left is only through all the surface with sandpaper to make it to make the dies the die wheel. Prepare the surface for painting. I have painted the first wheel. It's only first layer. Yep, 4 left to go. I have painted all the wheels. It looks better. Yep, and it will be ready to fit. Just a couple of days while they dry. While they'll dry, and we will fit it on the trailer and we will see what we got.